With the recent release of Live 12.2, Ableton introduced some new automation and modulation workflow using just your keyboard shortcuts. This is going to be fantastic when you need to change things on the fly, or if you get good enough at it, maybe you just start using this. But without any further introduction, let's jump right into it. So when you hit enter on a point, it's going to start blinking like this. That's when you have the point selected. And from there, you can start adding new points. So on the keyboard, if we start hitting to the right, we'll go to the right, to the left, we'll go to the left. Now, if you go up or down, it's not going to do anything, right? Not until you hit enter and lock in that point. And then you can go up or down right here, right? And dial it in exactly how you want. You can still move it to the left or right until you hit enter again. And that's what saves the point and makes it a new point. And then you start building the next one. And if you want to go back and delete that, we can press the delete key, right? Maybe we need to start over. So let's put a point right here. And if we want to jump back to another point really quickly, you're going to hold down Option on Mac and Alt on Windows plus the right or left keyboard arrow. And that's going to let you jump through the different points that are already set. When you're editing a selected breakpoint, you can also use Tab and Shift and Tab to select between the different points. We can also cycle through our automated parameters using Alt or Option and using the up or down arrows. And if you want to cycle through all parameters of all devices on a track, Shift Alt or Shift Option plus the up or down arrows. 12.2 brought us a ton of fire updates. If you missed out and you haven't seen all of them yet, check out this live stream where I break everything down.